Women who went to college are more likely to enjoy receiving and giving oral sex. Every day there are about 100 million acts of sexual intercourse a day globally. Approximately 70% of men refuse to have sex during their girlfriend's period. It has also been shown that men with an active sex life are more likely to live past 80 years. The distance between the G-spot and the vagina decreases when androgen is stimulated in the woman's body. Many researchers consider the skin to be the largest sex organ, and the brain to be the most powerful. Older women never want to do this position, and that position is missionary because in this position all the weight falls on them. Women who have difficulty reaching an orgasm might just have cold feet. Literally, one study found that giving women warm socks increased their chance of reaching an orgasm. An adult star had intercourse with 919 men in 24 hours, setting a new world record in 2004. According to one study, 30% of people go right to Facebook or Twitter, not the shower, after a romp in the sheets. The average person spends 20,160 minutes kissing during a lifetime, which is 336 hours 14 days or 2 weeks. After fingers and vibrators, women choose candies as sex toys. The most common cause of penile rupture is vigorous masturbation. Having sex at least once per week can lower a man's risk of heart disease by 30%, stroke by 50%, and diabetes by 40%. Approximately 1% of people worldwide identify as asexual, having no strong sexual attraction to either. There are between 500 and 1,000 deaths per year due to autoerotic asphyxiation. Outside of the bedroom, the most common place for adults in the U.S. to have sex is the car. Men who help with housework also tend to have more sex. If a man ejaculates in a woman's anus, it can increase the risk of bacterial infection and sexually transmitted infections, and it can worsen hemorrhoids. At least 1 in 5 people use their smartphones during sex. People who sleep on their stomachs with their arms above their heads have more sexual dreams. One study found that heterosexual women climaxed 61% of the time, while homosexual women climaxed 74% of the time, and bisexual women climaxed 58% of the time. Approximately 70% of people in the U.S. admit to fantasizing about group sex at some point in their life, and more than 50% of those people actually follow through. According to the Kinsey Institute, the average speed of sperm during ejaculation is 28 miles per hour. According to one study, Spain, Brazil, and Italy produced the best lovers. The worst lovers were Germans, who women claimed were smelly. During 30 minutes of active sex, the average person burns approximately 200 calories.